Hello guys, today we're gonna be talking about ratio. This story here says Uncle Ben decides to give a nephew and niece 120 between them. Now whatever this story said is basically what I've written here, sharing 120 pounds in the ratio 4:2. Now, in doing that, in sharing 120 pounds in the ratio 4:2, which is what this story is all about, what we need to do is add 4 to 2, which gives us 6. Now that means there is a whole lot of 6 portions to split 120 pounds into. So if we have 6 portions, because we added 4 to 2, how about splitting 120 into 6 equal portions? We'll get 20 pounds for one person. So one portion is 20 pounds. 4 portions for that particular person will be 80 pounds. So if I write 80 on top of the 4, because 4 lots of 20 will give us 80. So it means the nephew or the older one gets 80 pounds. Now, the next person, if one portion is 20 pounds, this is for one portion, what will 2 portions be? Obviously, 2 portions will be 40 pounds. So, this bit here will be 40 pounds. So the elder one gets 80 pounds, or the older one gets 80 pounds, and the younger one gets 40 pounds. And it's actually correct, because if you add 80 to 40, you get 120 pounds. Now this is under Key Stage 3. However, if we move on to GCSE, this is what we get. This question here is talking about a shop with a number of pens, a black, red and green pack of pens. On Monday, number of packs sold is 7 packs, number of red pens sold is 3 packs, and number of green pens sold is 4 packs. Now what we want to do here is make sure that we understand that these are packs. The packs were sold in the ratio 7:3:4. A total of 220 pens were sold. Work out the number of green pens sold. To work out the number of green pens, we need to know the packs of green pens sold. The total packs of green pens sold is 4 times 6. So this is 24. Let's change that pen to a normal pen. So 24 green pens were sold. 3 packs of red pens, 15 red pens were sold, and of course 7 packs of black pens means 14 black pens were sold. Now 14 add 15 is 29, add 24 is 53. Now 14 ratio 15 ratio 24 is 53 portions. So this is 53 portions. Now in these 53 portions, if we were to split 212 into 53 portions, what do we get? Now whatever we get means that's for just one portion. So if we want how many pens were sold in terms of the green ones, we'll then do the normal thing we've done in the first slide. So if we split 212 divided by 53, just like we did in the first one here where we did 120 divided by 6 portions, here we are doing 212 divided by 53 equal portions. Now whatever we get, we times it by 24 for the green pens. So this will be 24 over 1. Now if you watch my other videos, how do you multiply two fractions? you multiply the top and you multiply the bottom. Now if you were to multiply the top, you will get 212 times 24. You will get 5088 for the top. And of course, 53 times 1 is 53. I would strongly recommend you watching my video on multiplying fractions, so you know how you multiply the top and you multiply the bottom. So if we divide that by 53 portions, we have 96 green pens sold. So that's the number of green pens sold. Now you can see how ratio works. You add the total number of portions, you divide whatever you get by the total number of portions to get one part of your portion, and then you times it by whatever the ratio is in that question. So this is a GCSE type of question. Of course, it was in the last paper, and the first bit is more or less a key stage 3 sort of question, where you add the portion, split the 120 into 6 equal portions in this case. One portion is 20, 4 portions will be 80, 2 portions will be 40, and here you split it and then you times it by the number of 24 green pens we've got. I hope that helps you on ratio. Thank you.